Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Chill your bowl and whisk for 10-15 minutes and pour 1 cup of heavy cream straight from the fridge. This cold baseline lets air suspend in fat, creating volume. Measure 1-2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla so you can add them quickly once texture develops. Use a metal or glass bowl for faster cooling. Once your tools and cream are ready, position the whisk or mixer at the bowl center and begin on low speed to avoid splatter. Increase speed gradually. Start low so bubbles form evenly, then move to medium once you see a foamy texture. Whisking creates a network of fat that traps air. This is why speed and cold matter. Once soft peaks appear and the cream holds shape with a folded tip, sprinkle in sugar and vanilla so they dissolve without deflating the foam. Make sure not to rush. Overwhipping goes from glossy peaks to grainy curds quickly, so frequently stop and check the texture. Stop when stiff peaks form. The cream stands tall and holds shape but still looks slightly glossy, perfect for piping or topping. Transfer immediately to an airtight container and chill. Use within 24 hours for best texture and stability. If you accidentally overwhip and it looks grainy or begins to separate, don't panic. Fold in 1 tablespoon of cold cream at a time and whisk gently to reincorporate. If that fails, repurpose as a dessert sauce. Make sure to taste and adjust sweetness before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.